Today we are in Siambi Resort and we are going to do room tour. Guys, the room is so beautiful. I managed to book one which goes at 6,000 per night and you get your room and everything in order. Welcome and let's tour together in the room. And please, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Hit the notification bell so that you may not miss any of my videos. Thank you for always coming in to watch my YouTube videos. This is the room and everything is in order, neat and clean. Actually, this hotel is located in Mfangano Island in Suba. If you are there, if you need to come over, you'll be surrounded by water and it is so nice. Guys, I'm going to give you my room tour. Actually, this is the best room in Siambi Resort. Guys, this is village. Imagine that. Highland have nice resorts, guys. And Siambi Resort is the best resort so far. So this room, guys, only 6,000 per night. Only 6,000 per night. And then you have this nice and beautiful bed. Guys, there is nothing which cannot make you to choose to be in Siambi Resort. I want to give you a short tour of my room of tonight. It's so nice. This is bed right here. And this is the side cabinet where you can put your things if you want to. This is a nice net, mosquito net, guys. We are next to the lecture. So there are flies, there are mosquitoes. So you are sorted and the net is so amazing. Guys, I love white. And I was not mistaken if I chose to be in this resort. And here, over here we have the cabinet where you can, it's like a closet, but this is, I can say it's an open closet, something kind of, because there is no that door where you can range your clothes. If you come here, you can range your shoes down here. You can put your suitcase if you want to, and here you can be your worktop. Like to me tonight, it's going to be my worktop here, whereby you can, if you have your computer, whatever you want to do, you can work from this place. They provide water, and also there is a heater whereby you can warm your water. If you need coffee, there's some coffee sachets here, guys. This is a nice room to be for sure. So look at this. This is a nice curtain, okay? Whereby if you want in the morning, you can just see the view from here. Everything is nice. This is the window, nice one. It is a bigger one. And then there's a washroom over here. I can show you the washroom. Washroom is there. Wow. Guys, so clean, so beautiful, so amazing. This is now the washroom. We have here your toilet, flushed toilet. You can clean it, you can brush here. There's hot shower, instant hot shower over here. And everything is clean and white. This is the best room for me. Actually, please come over and see. And there's a bin here where you can put your trash. There's everything you might need in a very nice hotel or in a very nice room. This is the best place for you guys. And you can watch. There's a TV here, meaning I'm not going to get bored today. This is a TV for me. Actually, the size is nice. So I think the room tour of this evening is so amazing. Guys, if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, and hit the notification bell so that you may not miss any of my YouTube videos. Guys, thank you for always coming to watch my YouTube videos. And please don't miss to come in Siambi Resort. This is amazing, guys. Everything is in order. and very neat, very clean. Their service is the best. Anything you need, they will assist you. And people around here are really welcoming, and they are very beautiful, and they are very nice people. Thank you so much, guys, and make sure to subscribe. I think that's the end of our YouTube of today, and please, 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 thank you for always coming to watch my YouTube videos. I'm very, very humbled. Bye.